the red, the aux common, it is a signal, and the common, signal common, signal common, and aux, and then this one is our com. Okay, so this is zone 3, this one is zone 5, and then we have zone 6 and 7. Okay, now let's when powering up, make sure you don't interchange the positive and negative, especially for DC. That is a disaster. Battery connector, we have the positive and the negative. Yeah. So for me, I like first connect power, then I put battery. Yeah. Now see. Default mode. Okay. So first we go to zones, parameters, one by one. Okay, zone 1. Can open again, so you can see the zones. Okay, first zone 1 and 2 are empty, so we have 3, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so we go first through it. Bell buzzer. So zone 1 parameters one by one. Zone 1. Okay, so you are not used. Okay, you can choose not always open. Okay, go to zone 2, so there's nothing, so it's not used. Okay, always open. Okay. Zone 3. Okay. Zone 3 is where we have this is our door, so we'll say exit entry 1. It's okay because it's the door. Bell only, silent, never. You can choose always closed. Okay, and zone 4 we have this one, so it's almost the same as the first one, as the zone 3. So yeah, we'll have, can say exit and entry zone 2. Okay, silent, sour, always closed. Okay, so now we move to zone 6. We have zone 6 and 7. So in zone 5, not used. Okay. Normally closed. Normally open. Okay. Zone 6. Zone 5. So here we can choose that one, zone 6. Okay, they're only silent, normally closed. Okay, zone 7 we have another this one, so we can say exit or even follow me, it's okay. Normally closed, it's okay. Okay, zone 8 we don't have anything, so we'll say not used. Okay, so that's okay. So now after doing this setting of zones, you can go back and then, so now we go to zones, Then we move to cross zones. Okay, so we would like for, before this one, tamper there. If this is crossed by say a pet, the alarm will not keep going off. So first we set this one as the first zone of contact, and then this one. Okay. So we come here to zone crossing. We say this one is in zone. This one is in zone 3. Okay, so we say the first one is zone 3. Okay, and then the second one is zone 6. And the second one will be zone 6. Okay, say okay. And then we say ordered. Then say 1 minute. Okay. Okay. The second one will say zone 4. The second one will be zone 5, and we'll trip zone 7. So zone 5. Go back. So cross zones. So the first one we've done it. The second one, so 0, 5. Then the second zone is 0, 7. Okay. So that is so the crossing is a bit simple. Let's make sure the alarm system is well closed so that the tamper can connect well. Okay. So now we say ordered, then 1 minute. Okay. So we can go back so that we can do saving. Then you press 0, 0. Okay, so it will ask you, do you want to save the data? If you press this, you say okay. If you press this, you say no. You say okay. See, data saving. Okay, those sounds are positive. Okay, so now the system will test everything. See if everything is in order. So remember, this one and this one go together. So you can say 0, 7, 4, 5. Okay. Okay, that's the first one. 11,
25,
25,
64.
64. So with the number now set, we test it. Test this. Okay. Should receive a call. Okay, see, it has successfully called me. Okay, so as you can see, it's saying temper testing. So let's wait and see. Okay, so as you can see, there's a tick. That means everything is okay. Okay, let's see now. Okay. Okay, success. Now you can see it's counting down. That means the system is armed. Okay, we have set for 40 seconds, so we can wait. Okay, now as you can see, it has changed the beep. That means now it should be running. We set it according to the client. The client is, if it's a client who needs to go very fast. You see, the system is working well. Okay. Now we have to test for the crossover. Let's this one. Okay. And this one. Okay. So now we arm it again. And make sure this one's right first. Okay, so the system sound. So first we'll try to trip this. As you can see, they are not tripping because of our crossover. But if we try and trip one of these, because they are fast in the sequence, then you'll see our alarm responding. So let's trip this first. Okay, that. So the door is open. So now the alarm is set. So our crossover is successful. I'll say it's a good job. Crossover helps people so that in case you have a pet and it wants to, and it passes by these motion sensors, to not keep tripping the alarm. Also, if you have a tree near the window, the shadow might be casting on your proximity sensor. It might be tripping the alarm all the time. So sequence crossover helps because we put first priority the door, and after the door has been tripped, now the motion sensor cannot be activated. So thank you.